Good morning, guys. We will get started. Just like up the stream, we'll get started in a few minutes. I'll be with you guys in a few minutes. Right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. OPTT. Whoever listened with this one, I gave it 3 hours ago. Very, very simple trade setup. Just got to trust it. That's all. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Held it over the weekend. It's my usual go-to setup. Very simple one. So yeah, I gave it to you guys already. I said that expected breakout, still my favorite setup. So if you did get in, well done. I know people in the Discord are in, which is fantastic news. Right. Good morning, good afternoon, guys. So you guys can all post your tickers, questions, anything on here, and then I'm going to go through Twitter, and then I'll go through you guys. All right, so yeah, post questions, tickers, whatever you guys decide. Right here, let's get started. Wow, OPTT, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right. Yeah, I put there, so many people just trying to copy my... I've noticed loads of people have been messaging me, my Twitter followers. Just been telling me that the people's like copying my trades, and if I'm not in for the day or something, they just automatically stop as well. So it's kind of funny, but it is what it is. All right, let me go through the charts here. All right, XHG, JFBR, JFBR. There's nothing really on this, unfortunately. Update the chart. You just have to wait for this downtrend break. You get that downtrend break, then you're fine on JFBR. Wait for downtrend break. What are the levels going down? Well, no reason to be entering this. If it's going down, it's going down. You shouldn't be in it. THAR. Let me have a look. THAR, nothing until 388 break. So THAR, wait for 388 break above. Max in target, 5% from entry. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Zap. Zap looks good. I like this. Zap looking good. Right, guys, for those who just joined, I'm just going through Twitter, and then I will go through you guys now. So post some tickers, questions, and I'll get to you guys in a minute. All right, cool. I think I'm pretty much caught up on this. People should be in Zap. Zap's a simple trade here. Hello, 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 hello. Tiger, HLVX. What happened to HLVX? Oh shit. Wait, isn't there a reverse split? Or what just happened? What the hell? That's funny. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nice to hear you. XHG. Now that it's above $1, maybe it's all right, but I don't like something like this, right? If I'm looking at the overall trend, it's very bearish. There's no reason for me to be entering. If you're trying to enter, you can have a max 5% stop loss. That's what I would decide to do, but I wouldn't be in this trade. There's thousands of other trades I'd be in. BENF, downtrend, wait for downtrend to break, then you can look for your entries. Nothing on this at the moment. So I would wait for downtrend break. That is all I would wait for. GOVX, let me have a look. GOVX, maybe possible channel down pattern, which is bullish. You expect price to break out of it, but yeah, it's just a bit difficult right now. Maybe in the demand zone might look good for entries. Oh, I see, Dylan. I see. I see. Yes, Paul. I don't know if you're in here, bro, but well done. Great stuff on OPTT with me. I held it over the weekend. I was down on it. It was down 11% after hours. 0.35 was my. I think I even remember. I even said on Twitter. I mean on YouTube on Friday. I said that it's. I'm in at 0.35. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. BNFJ IVP. IVP is coming down. This is your demand zone. You can use this whole zone here if you want to. So like this. But it's breaking below this bullish pennant, which is no longer valid anymore. So we have to remove it. So we have the demand zone here like this. Right. So demand zones like that. Nah, it's not a falling wedge yet because it's too yeah, not enough yet. So if you're looking for entries on IVP, I would wait for the demand zone, which is here, or wait for the downtrend break. So IVP is heading to... Yeah, looks like it's heading to demand zone. We have to just wait and see with this one. Tiger, Cerro. Cerro's here. Is this over $1? No, it's not. So we put in orange. Cerro. If I'm looking for Cerro, larger time frame. Yeah, it just needs to close above here. Then you have this range left to the left-hand side. You can even just move this to 0.5. That'd be a better range to put it at. It's room to 0.5. So Cerro, room to 0.5. Discord members, I will get to you guys in a bit. Once I'm done. HLVX, good morning. Cavill, I still like this play. Look. Cavill is the exact same setup as OPTT. You see Cavill, falling wedge demand zone. Look at OPTT. Look what happened. Falling wedge demand zone, bang. Right, same thing. So I do expect it to go up. It just needs some volume. Hopefully it gets up soon. SING, I saw this pop. It's just in an uptrend, I think. Yeah, it's just in a steady uptrend at the moment. Maybe a bullish pennant forming here. We have like this. And then here. Yeah, looks all right. So you have bullish pennant. What is this? So you have Sing, bullish pennant. Bullish pennant, if you don't know what that is, it's a bullish continuation pattern, expecting price to go up. SHPW is here, it's coming down. Yeah, nothing unless the downtrend breaks. This is not a downtrend break here. This is just the 8 AM candle wick, so that's why it looks like it closed above. It's not. It's just a glitch on Webull. Right, we have 100 people in here. We only have 20 likes. That means we have 20% of you liking it. That means we need to get to up at least 50% for me to continue to post some charts. So get to 50 likes and then we'll start again. I'm just gonna do some Discord stuff whilst we get to 50 likes. Maxin is just ranging. $50 likes and we will get started. Right here, let's see what's Twitter saying. It's PHW, Maxin. Everyone's going on about Maxin. Everyone loves Maxin. Be careful. That's what I will tell you about Maxin, is be careful. Maxin is ranging. This is your next level. Maxin is currently ranging. I got my 5% and I got out. Well, I got 6% actually. 6.2% and I got out. Good morning. ANVS. Right, how many likes we got here? 48. Two more. ANVS. So we can see what's happening. If we just look left, we have a wick fill here at 1251. But what else we have here is what? An area of resistance. So I would say 1115 break. Close above 1115. Maybe you could look for entries and you have wick fill to 1251. Guys, there's only about 5 Discord spots left for the month. 5. Yeah, someone just messaged me on Twitter. There's only 5 spots left for the Discord for this month. ANVS needs 11:15 break. ANVS MYNZ. MYNZ. Oh wait, let me just do it from here. Actually, this will be cleaner. Just trying to get a clean downtrend here. What you need to wait for is just downtrend break. That's it. MYNZ. Wait for downtrend break. Yeah, there is 3 3-month tiers left and 2. Actually, there's 6. 3 3-month tier and 3 1 month. IVP is here. IVP, you're either waiting for demand zone to look for entries or downtrend break. Otherwise, this is no trade range. Nothing. 0 at the moment. BENF. BENF is in a downtrend. Nothing unless it closes above the downtrend. So just leave it for now. OPTT, perfect. Mohammed, bro. Are you in it? Let me know. I have to wait. I can't sell it. I have to wait. My broker doesn't allow me. QLGN down 13% right now. Yeah, not looking too shabby at the moment. So we have to just wait for the downtrend break to enter, if anything. Maybe possible falling wedge. Ideally, I would want a demand zone with this as well to give me more confluence for this to break to the upside. But yeah, possible falling wedge setting up. So QLGN, possible falling wedge. For those who just joined, also subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Right, 55 likes. Well done, guys. Well done, well done. MMV. MMV, I don't know. There was a big wick now. I'm assuming there was some news of some sort. Yeah. But nothing on this, to be honest. Your range is all the way to 0.7685. KA. KA, there's no entries on this unless it breaks above 0.8712. VRPX, wait for 0.95. Above this level. There's crazy wicks on this. I don't know. Nothing on this at the moment. Got in the Discord yesterday. Let's go, Habe. Habe, just make sure you've watched the intro video and all that. Check your Discord DM. Go through all the channels, risk management plan, journals, all of that is there. So watch that, and then after you'll be able to understand everything in the Discord. But welcome, brother, welcome. Pets. Nothing on pets. It's literally just ranging. You have a range. So you don't trade in a range. You wait for the range to break either above it for your entries. Otherwise, you're just leaving it. You don't enter inside a range. It's no trade range. So your entries are above 151. That is what you're looking for. JAGX. JAGX up again? Nope. JAGX downtrend at the moment. Let's see. Maybe a possible double bottom here. Let's see the chart. Yeah, maybe possible double bottom here, which is a bullish reversal pattern. You expect price to go up from here. As long as you got volume on these setups, you are perfectly fine. They will respect these levels very well. Without volume, it will not respect this. So JAGX, possible double bottom. So wait for that double bottom. Maxon. Guys, Maxon is just ranging. It's ranging. Look, ranging means you do not enter. It means the stock is what? What does a range mean? It means going up and down. It's consolidating, right? The price doing this and this and this and this. So if you are trying to enter now, think about this logically. Even if you don't know how to trade, if you've just first time ever looking at a chart right now, there is a 50-50 chance, right? That this will go up or down. That means you're gambling, okay? When you are trying to trade, you are trying to increase the probability of you making money, right? The chances of it going in your favor. So we know we don't buy in a range. So we do not try and enter now. We don't care. We know though, if it breaks above 0.3286, which is this resistance here, what's going to happen? Our chances from 50-50 go to maybe 70-80% of it going up, because we know if it closes above a resistance, the higher probability will go up. Closes below resistance or support, it's probably going to go down. Trading inside here is a gamble. We don't know what is going to happen. So just wait. 0.326 is where you look for entries. That's it. That's what I would do. Right now, leave it alone. No problem, no problem. I feel like I must be drawing the downtrend wrong since IVP looks like a breakout. Well, I don't know where you see the breakout if the stock is going down, but yeah. Depends what time frame you're using, Christina. If you're using a 20-minute, 30-minute, it depends. I have the 5-minute chart. It will look exactly the same if you look at my chart and yours. Well, maybe not exactly the same, maybe very similar, but you'll get the gist. SVMH, I'll just keep this on watch for Hassie. I don't trade this, but you have your key levels here. You have room to 0.3, which is probably going to get to right now. And then you have range to the next wick, which is here, 0.354. And then you have range all the way to the next one, 4.6. So these are your levels. SVMH, key levels. Key levels. Kraken, let me have a look. Wow, Kraken's up. The mighty Kraken. How long do you think this is going to last that it's in an uptrend for? I mean, it was in a falling wedge, kind of messy one, but let's see, look. See this? And you have a demand zone actually. It's not bad. Very good setup. I'm not touching it though, but yeah, this is a normal setup. It's not that clean of a falling wedge. As you can see, you would rather want it started from here, but you do have very nice. So Kraken setting up for a breakout. That's what we have for this. SVMH Kraken, thanks McIntyre. Do you draw from the top of the candle wick or the top of the body? I usually draw the top of the candle wick. So here's the top of the candle wick. Here's another wick. Here's a wick. The reason why I do the wick is because that is technically correct. However, the goal is to get the most touches. The more touches, right, the more confirmation. So technically I could, right, you could do it like this if you wanted to. You could have a downtrend like that, right? This is technically correct how you should have it, right? So this is what you could have, like this, right? Or if you want to get more touches, you can go through the candle wicks a little bit like this. So opposed to having only 1 and 2 touches, we now have what? We have 1 touch. We can even move down a little bit, right? 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. That indicates what? That there is a stronger confirmation of a downtrend. We know now if it breaks and closes above the downtrend, higher probability it's going to go up, right? That's it. You could maybe say it's also setting up in a falling wedge here, which is very nice. So yeah, you could see what happens. I'm just going to keep it as a downtrend for now, but I like to keep it clean like this, there, like that. DYNT, I had this on my watch list, but I deleted it. DYNT, nothing. Look, so DYNT, you can just go to a larger time frame. We've got a 10-minute if we want to. At the moment, look, we are in a downtrend. So nothing on this. Maybe area of support has been found, but it's very difficult. You're trying to guess now because we're getting support and all this stuff here, green candles, but there's not enough volume. The candles aren't there. The price action isn't there that we need. Right, IVP, yeah. So IVP, nothing. Wait for downtrend to break. VLCN, I just have this on my watch list. Not too interested on it. I'm going to put this in purple. Actually, green, sorry. Caval, this is also, we'll keep this one on green. Caval's a larger time frame setup, so we just need volume to break out. XHG, I'm not interested in this. Poet, I'm not really interested either on this. Maxin, now in this kind of demand zone area. OPTT is coming down. SVMH. Yeah, SVMH hit this level that I expected, 0.3. Cero, nothing on this. SPHW, nothing. So SPHW is a clean example, right? No reason to be touching this. It is in a strong downtrend. If it closes above the downtrend on the 1 minute, 5 minute, daily, weekly, whatever you decide, then you can look for your entry. But trying to enter now is not a good idea. You're going to be gambling. DYNT delist them, right? Oh, cheers, bro. Where is my mouse? Where is my... Oh, here we go. Yeah, ASTI looks nice. You got this break above now. Well, you could just wait for this. Needs 0.1054 break. Alright guys, like up the stream. Let's go, let's go. Let me go through some questions on the Discord here. Cheers, bro. Right, we literally have 2 spots left for the Discord. Please make sure you guys are reading your DMs. Discord DMs. Those who've just joined, make sure you are reading your Discord DMs. Do not ignore it. Read the Discord DMs. There is everything you need to do to learn how to read the Discord and trade with us. Right, let's go and see what players moving. IVP, nothing. Zap, I would have been in here. So what happens? How much percent was this? Probably not much, right? Oh, it's 5% move. Nice. So here we can go to this candle wick and we go here. IVP, where's VWAP? Yeah, closure above. We'll see what this does. I like IVP for today though. We'll just keep this one on. Big watch today. Yeah, SHPW, nothing. Right, what else is there? Maxin, here. Maxin, there's nothing. Maxin is here. This is no trade range. No trade range. This whole range here is no trade range. Zero, nothing on this. This is a very easy trade to look at, right? Let's use the 1 minute chart if we want to for scalping. This is a very good opportunity to look for entries very soon. So you have this, a downtrend. If you get a candle closure above this on the downtrend, it's very, very good for entries. I would wait on the 1 minute chart to look for your entries. This looks very good. You have 20 seconds to see. If this closes above the downtrend, that is your entry point. If it doesn't close above the downtrend, then it's not your entry point. So you have a demand zone, you have a falling wedge setting up. So I'm expecting a breakout on this, at least 5% move on this. Scalp entries. So yeah, I would be in this right now. That's how I would trade it. Personally, I would be in this trade right now. So from here, let's see where 5% is. So from here, you enter 5% right here. So this is where your 5% target would be. You sell at least 50% of your position, move your stop loss up, so on. IVP opens as, oh yeah, shit, I saw you saying that earlier. OPTT is looking good. I like OPTT. SVMH, very nice. If this candle doesn't break this low here, you should be fine. So you need to hold this low to push to the upside. OAFT. Lift, nothing on this. Where's it? Yeah, lift is nothing, nothing. Strong downtrend on lift. Strong downtrend. Saad, do you follow me on Twitter or are you in the Discord? It's like magic. It's like magic. Yeah, Saad, are you in the Discord or are you following me on Twitter? I'm assuming you're either or. Twitter going to just, okay, so the Twitter one, go onto my Twitter right now. Right, go onto my Twitter right now. I'm going to repost the demand zone. It's just been reposted, so you can go and like that. Right? That's all you need to do. The demand zone, if you go on my Twitter, guys, it's the most recent post I've just given to everyone. IVP is looking good for entries. I would enter now if I was an IVP. Look for 5% from your entries. So let's see, 5% is here. Let's say $3 is your target from now. So you're looking for $3 as your first target. That is how I would look for entry. So I would be in this right now. Look for $3 as your entry. That's right. Give it a like, give it a like, give it a like. Zap. Yeah, Zap is nothing yet. MTC. MTC. Nothing on MTC. There's not much volume on this, so for me, I would just avoid it. It's just coming down at the moment. Down, down, down. No reason for entries on this. Guys, Maxon is very simple. Look. There is no entries unless. So look, this was your previous resistance. Now we can put this, let's just do this yellow. Nothing unless like this. There is no entries unless 0.3286. Maxim, no entries unless 0.3286 break. That's it. So you got to sit and wait, put an alert, whatever you need to do to know. All right. IVP is looking good. Nice little 5% on that one. Quick. You got to be quick, guys. If Maxim goes to 0.26, would that be a good entry? Yeah, just exactly what I mentioned. So I would not be in at 0.26. I would wait for 0.3285. That's the safest entries you can look for if it closes above this. Because look, if this closes above this resistance, we have clean range to the left. Look at this clean range. A lot of people are talking about this. There's a lot of talk. Just be extremely careful because what comes up must go down. Do not just get in because everyone's talking about it. You should be managing your risk. Don't care about what anything else, or who cares what anybody else says. Whatever you enter at, look for your target, right? Be realistic. Don't hold for 100%. You know what kind of percentage you need to look for, and that's it. All right. So it's very simple. All you need to do is focus on yourself. That is it. Do not care about the noise, news, anything about anyone else. Understand why you got in the trade and then enter the trade. Journal it, write it down so you can understand. Quick as $100. Let's go, hey. Paid for your Discord membership, brother. One trade. That's how easy it is to make money. That's why when people say, oh, the Discord's expensive or something like that, they don't realize that you're trading to learn. You're learning how to make money trading. And that's what we teach. And if you can't make $100 a month, then you're obviously fine. You might have a small account and you're still working on things. But my goal for everyone in the Discord is to pay for their membership and stay in there and just create and join the community with us. Because trading can be lonely. And obviously when you're trading with a great group of people, it helps a lot. Myself and Hassi don't know everything, but we teach exactly what we know and what has worked for us in the past. So all members can vouch for it, I'm sure, but we are just trading for consistency and long term. We're not here to make 100%ers on our account, full port, all this bullshit. We literally are trading for the goal to hit our goals every day, right? 1% a day, 5% a week, 20% a month. Add lady. Nothing on add lady. I don't know what this is. So someone just asked me, guys, look, this is something that people need to understand, right? Someone, I'm not going to tell them who it was, but I said that here on Maxin, okay? Look here, let me see. Where's this tweet? Maxin, where is this? So on Maxin, I wrote, where is it? Let me have a look. Here we go. Okay, so 3 hours ago, right? 3 hours ago. Okay, this is okay. 3 hours ago on Maxin, I wrote, you should be in this. Okay, so that was this candle here, right? So this was where I told people they should be in it. Now look, it ran 8%, okay? Or let's just say even here, 6%. Your target is very simple. You're looking for a realistic target. I look for 5%. Discord members look for 5% as well. We're not holding for 100%. Yes, of course, during the day, this thing might run 300%, 400%, 500%. We don't know. We trade what is in front of us and realistic levels. We do the same thing over and over again. That is what consistency is. If you're going to consistently hold for 100% moves every time, you won't even be able to get to the first trade. You're going to blow your account. All right? So you need to understand that you're aiming for a realistic target. From when I mentioned you should be in this, it ran 6%, okay? That means you should have been out 50% of your position already, moved your stop loss up to entry, and then that's how it is, all right? So someone just said, oh, I thought you said you should be in this. Correct, yes. At the time you should have been in it because it ran extra 6%, and then you look for your target, right? But people don't really understand that when they're starting out. They just try and hold for crazy moves, you know? Like, yes, I still do like Maxon, it doesn't mean I'm going to be in the trade. I have to wait for confirmation for me to enter the trade. All right. So we'll see. I won't be trading this. I'll be giving alert, like setups for the Discord members, because I don't trade these sub $1 plays intraday. So we'll see. Cero update. Cero's here. So we have the 1 minute chart. So we have here like this. We can move this down here so we get a cleaner setup like this. There we go. There you go. I don't like using the 1 minute. It's more of a scalping trade, which means you're in there for a short amount of time. So this is kind of what you have for 5 minute falling wedge-ish. I mean, you could just keep it like this for now. Let's just keep it like this. All right. Tiger demands on GRFS. Let me have a look. Are you talking about the 1 minute chart? Or I mean, what time frame you're looking on that? GRFS. GRFS looks good. I'll keep this on watch. 8:15, 8:25, 8:15, 8:25. Is this what you have here? So look, this is like this demand zone here, right? I'm assuming, is this what you're looking for here? I personally wouldn't use this one here because it's not yet confirmed as a demand zone, in my opinion. What you want is, you want it to obviously, yes, here may be a demand zone, but you want it to run up a bit and then come down, right? So something like this where the big move has happened and now maybe it'll come down into that and then push up, right? So this could be a possible demand zone forming, you know? NDRA, let me have a look. NDRA, I'm not really interested in this, to be honest with you. You have this is your resistance, 0.113. Yeah, you can wait for this level to break for now. It's just currently just ranging, to be honest. It needs 0.113. 113, break above. So if you break above that, then you're good. The Discord is the best thing. That's right, Borrow. Let's go, Borrow. Borrow. Diamond hands, baby. 5 minutes. Yeah, okay, cool. Good morning. Let's go. So something to actually note, which I really appreciate, is Fig has been in the Discord for a while now, and I teach a lot of different strategies, both myself and Hassi. There's a demand zone. There's a lot of other strategies that we teach, right? Just for members, right, to understand why we're getting into the trades and what has worked for us in the past. And it's different because people don't understand what trading is. Some people, right, you can go on Google or YouTube, sorry, and you can type in the best trading strategy, this and this and this, right? But the thing is that that's what works for that person, okay? So if I see the best 5 minute strategy and someone's telling me use all this RSI bullshit, right? That probably doesn't work for me, but it maybe works for them. So you need to understand your emotions is a big part of your personality, and that's what determines how you trade. Some people don't trade very well off the demand zone, so they don't use that setup. For Fig, it works very well. He's been very consistent with that setup. He's used it for months now, and he's been profitable using it, right? As opposed to someone else maybe doesn't really like to use it. They don't maybe identify it as well. They don't feel as confident. So for them, the demand zone strategy doesn't work. However, maybe they will use, let's say, for instance, a pre-market high break. Someone will be able to, another member or another person will be able to use a pre-market break, and they'll know exactly when to get in because they're very confident with that setup. But maybe Fig isn't very good with that, so he avoids that kind of setup, right? It's very simple. So we give a range of different types of strategies you can use in your trading. And from there, you kind of just build on that as your own strategy. You implement things that you've learned in the Discord or just from other traders, right? And you just start to create your own strategy. And that's kind of how you trade. So there is no best strategy that in the world, right? Yes, there's a lot of confluences. Understanding support and resistance is a big thing. A lot of people use that, right? And that's a normal thing everyone uses, but there's different time frames people use, different indicators. There's a lot of things that people use to help them with their trades, and some people work best with lots of indicators. Some people don't work well at all with indicators, you know. So it's really just dependent on the person themselves. So whether you type in on YouTube the best 5 minute strategy, 10 minute strategy, best day trading strategy, right? yes, it's all good and well, it works well, but maybe for that person, it doesn't mean it has to work for you, right? You can try that 100 times and you won't get the same results because maybe you're not identifying it the same way. Maybe it just doesn't work for you. It's not suiting your kind of style, you know? So that is why day trading or trading in general, there's no wrong way of trading. You can trade however you want. You know, there is I guess you could say like print on what the best kind of strategy is in the way that most people use day trading. So you can use these bullish chart patterns and things like that. That is always the same, but other things is just what makes your strategy better. WSP, I don't have this one, unfortunately. I entered Cero when you said, however, it constantly dropped. Is the play still valid? Let me see. Cero, let's have a look. So Cero here, let's see. So if you're down more than 7%, I personally would cut it, but it is still a valid 1 minute strategy setup right here, like this. So we're in the demand zone now, we're at an area of support, it should push up. But if you're down more than 7%, just cut it. Tigers mode, yes, let's go, bro, let's go. SOUN, man, this stock's a weird one. I like this setup overall, like, look at it. It's just a very weird one. It was consolidating for a bit and then obviously it broke above. But you have a wick fill all the way to 485, literally. Wick fill to 485. So this is a wick fill to 485. Someone asked as well, someone just DM'd me. I'm not gonna say the person. They asked something about the Discord, right? We give day trade alerts, okay? Myself and Hassie give day trade alerts, meaning you get targets, entry, stop loss, all that kind of stuff, okay? With that being said, we also do, well, I do give swing trades. So meaning you hold trades over a course of a week, few days, and then there are instructions to follow that as well. So we don't only do day trades, we do swing trades as well. So for those who are busy, we have quite a few members who are busy. We also give them the option to do swing trades as well, which is nice because I'm up quite a bit on my swing trades. I've only had 2 that stopped me out of like 7 or 8, I think. We just had PLTR now, which hit first target as well, which was nice. This one here. So we gave it over here somewhere. Oh no, it was within this yellow line. You see this? This was the entry around here. This was our stop loss. This was our target. 10% move up from entry, which was very nice. Very, very good. Yeah, so this is a bit slow. IVP. So IVP, you should be in IVP. IVP, you should be in this trade. I mentioned over here you can enter, which was your 5%. If not, now your next level to your next target, right? If you just enter now, your target's 5%. That is how it is. But it broke above the downtrend. Look, very simple. Broke above the downtrend. That's your confirmation. There's a high probability it will continue to go up. So that is what you have. MITQ. MITQ, there is nothing on this. Kraken, yeah, I saw Kraken. I think I mentioned it already. MITQ, there's nothing on this. I don't know. I don't like this. MITQ is low volume. Low volume. IVP, downtrend break. How many people entered IVP and got the 5%? Christina, I just mentioned it. I don't know if you listened or heard, sorry. I said that if you are down 7%, you can cut it. If not, you can just hold it until it hits your 7% stop loss. But it's still valid as long as it holds this demand zone at 0.32. Vine. Vine, there isn't really anything on this unless 0.74 is your entry. Close about 0.74, then you can look for your entry. Lucid Pop. Nice. Yeah, Lucid was a very nice trade setup. Look here. So I think they had earnings or what's going on here? Settles trademarked a few. Nice, nice, nice. Wait, that's old news. Lucid, very nice setup though. I think I gave this on Twitter. Better go. Yeah, Lucid, very nice. Very nice on Lucid. All the way to 335 incoming. Should get 335 today easily. Perfect breakout. What do you make of GRI? Let me have a look. Right, I need to go into Discord, so I'm going to go through these questions and then I'm going to head to Discord. Guys, there's 2 spots left for the Discord. So GRI is very simple, right? If you look at the overall trend, what do you think of it, right? So, Waleb, what do you think of this chart, right? What does everyone think of this chart? Do you see it? Right? So you should very clear to see what's going on with this chart. There is a downtrend if you don't know. So if you're looking for an entry, you're looking for the downtrend to break for your entries. What's your favorite setup at the moment? All of these on the left hand side. Max and new highs coming. I don't know, bro. We'll see. I don't know. I'm only interested if it breaks above 0.3286. I'm not in it. I'm not really interested in the moment. No news, just a player I have been following. Oh, okay, cool, bro. I think it just had news now though, right? That's why it's running. Appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna go through Son and then I'm gonna head into the Discord. SOUN. SOUN, yeah, what did I say? This is your range to 485. 485 is your range, all right? So it's breaking above all these levels. You have a clean wick fill all the way to 485, which is very nice to see. So you can keep an eye on that one. Have a look. All right. So everyone, can you do me a favor and like up the stream before you head out? Thank you all for joining. Discord members, I'll see you in a bit. Here, this is the Discord link here, guys. This is it here. There is 2 spots left for the month. They're both for the 3-month tier, I think, or unless there's 1 month tier left, I'm not too sure. But that's the link there if you want to join. Discord members, I'll see you guys in a bit. Live trading link will be sent out in 15 minutes. All right, so I'll see you guys then. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.